Every day there's a new AI agent that you can talk to from Slack. Now you can add OpenCode to that list. Here's how. Before you start, you're going to need OpenCode installed, of course, and Slack. And then to turn our OpenCode into a Slack agent, we're going to use this Pipa package. So first, we are going to install the Pipa package and access the CLI. Make sure you're in the folder you want the Slack agent to work in. That matters because people in the Slack channels you connect can ask your OpenCode to read and change files in that folder. So what I typically do is I'll have like a container folder with all of my projects that I want OpenCode to access. I typically call it Studio, and I'll put everything in there. So we're going to add Pipa here. We're going to install it, and it will install its magic. Great, it's installed. And then we're going to run Pipa init, which is going to start the wizard, which will help us set up our bot. We're going to give it a name. I'm going to call mine Chopper. I'm going to put it in this folder. Yes. It's going to open Slack for me. And I will select a workspace. It'll create that manifest for me. And then there are two manual steps that we need to do. We have to generate some tokens that are to save on our computer. One is an app level token. We can just call it token. And we're going to add the scope connections, right? Generate that token. Make sure to keep it secret. I'm going to rotate it after this video here. Then we're going to go back into our terminal. We're going to paste that token. Great. And the next thing we need is a auth token, which we will get from OAuth and permissions here. We're going to make sure we install this app into our workspace so that our workspace in Slack has access to it. And then we're going to get the bot user auth token here. And paste it in. So we can start it by running pipa start. Woohoo! It is connected. It is started. And now we can go into Slack. We are going to go into Slack. We're going to invite our agent. We're going to add them. And we'll say something like, hey there, how are you doing? And it responds, and we have in here that it's doing well. How am I? And that's all you have to do. And it's going to be all of the config skills, etc., that you have in your instance will be accessible via Slack. I love using my agents in this way. I run my agent in the cloud, but still I think OpenCode is a great agent to use both locally and in Slack. The repo is open source, so you can check it out, and hope you have fun.